Do you think you know the animal kingdom? Today, let's test your knowledge in an exhilarating way. Stay tuned, because this is going to be quick, challenging, and, of course, surprising. 1. What animal is this? It's an eagle. Fast, sharp, and always ready for the next challenge. Keep it up. 2. Can you identify this animal? It's a lion. Powerful and courageous, just like you. Stay strong. 3. Let's see if you get this one right. What animal is this? It's a dolphin. Intelligent and agile. You're doing great, keep it up. 4. Let's increase the difficulty. What animal is this? It's an octopus. Intelligent and adaptable, just like you adapting to every challenge. 5. Can you identify this extraordinary animal? It's a tiger. Strong and persevering. Your determination is inspiring. 6. What animal is this? Pay attention. It's a butterfly. Transformation and beauty, just like your journeys. Keep flying high. 7. Time for a different challenge. What animal is this? It's a whale. Powerful and majestic. You're also capable of grand things. 8. Quick! What animal is this? It's a cheetah. Fast and persistent. Keep chasing your dreams. 9. Can you guess this animal? It's an elephant. Powerful and resilient. You're stronger than you think. 10. Let's explore the realm of elegance. What majestic animal is this? It's a flamingo. Elegance and balance. Like him, stay firm in your own journeys. 11. Ready for another challenge? What animal is this? It's a penguin. Adaptation and teamwork. Your resilience is admirable. 12. Now, what animal is this? It's a chameleon. Versatility and the ability to adapt. Keep reinventing yourself. 13. Can you guess this extraordinary animal? It's a wolf. Instinct and loyalty. Like a wolf, your strength lies in unity. 14. Time for a different challenge. What animal is this? It's a gorilla. Power and intelligence. You're incredibly strong too. 15. Quick! What animal is this? It's a chicken. You're shining. 16. Can you guess this wonderful animal? It's a giraffe. Loftiness and broad vision. Keep your head held high. 17. Ready for another challenge? What animal is this? It's an owl. Wisdom and intuition. Keep learning and evolving. 18. What animal is this? It's a horse. Strength and elegance. Keep galloping towards your goals. 19. Ready for this challenge? What animal is this? It's a camel. You're incredibly resilient. Congratulations on making it this far. 20. Ready for another adventure? What animal is this? It's a frog. Jumper and agile. Keep taking big leaps towards your goals. 21. Ready for another round? What animal is this? It's an otter. 22. Let's test your keenness. What animal is this? It's a lynx. Stay attentive to opportunities around you. 23. Can you guess this amazing animal? It's a panther. Elegance and determination. You're as impressive as she is. 24. Let's explore the icy lands. What animal is this? It's a polar bear. Resilience and courage. Like him, you're strong and ready to face any challenge. 25. Quick! What animal is this? It's a woodpecker. Keep pecking at your goals. 26. Can you guess this fascinating animal? It's a dragonfly. Keep flying towards your dreams. 27. Ready for another challenge? What animal is this? It's a badger. You're digging your way to success. 28. What animal is this? It's a pelican. Serenity and patience. Keep flying towards your goals with calmness and determination. 29. Ready for this challenge? What animal is this? It's a falcon. Sharp vision and focus. Like him, you're always aiming high. 30. We've reached the big moment. What animal is this? It's an Arctic wolf. Resilient and adapted to extremes. Like him, you faced intense challenges. Congratulations on your incredible journey. If you made it this far, you truly are a master of animal guessing. Comment how many animals you got right and share your results with the hashtag #AnimalMaster. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and enable notifications so you don't miss our upcoming challenges. Until next time, Curious Explorer!